After watching the video on the 10 exoplanets that are very special, I do believe that there, I'd say probably two planets where we could have life on. I'll get to that later in the video, but the first planet that he talks about is Trace 2b, and that is described as the darkest planet in the universe. In the video, he says that it reflects all light but 1%. Making it the darkest in the universe, and that it is extremely hot, which makes it have this red glow look to it. The second planet he talks about is 55 Cancri E, and that planet is known for having a very large amount of diamonds on it. He said that if we were to go to this planet and even take a small amount of diamonds from this planet and bring it back to Earth, that we would bring back too many diamonds, which would then decrease the price and value of diamonds here on Earth. The third planet he talks about is Gillespie 460 or 436b. This is the planet that is a big ball of ice that is on fire, and he says that the reason it is able to be this hot and also be ice is because of the amount of gravitation that the planet is standing against or receiving. There's water on the planet, and that compression allows the water to solidify and turn to ice. The fourth planet he talks about is HD 189773b, and that is the planet that has winds of up to like in the thousands. I think it's either 4,000 or 40,000. I can't remember which one was in the video, but it constantly rains glass sideways. The fifth planet he talks about is WASP 12b. This planet is special because it is so close to its star that the star is actually tearing it apart. He said there's every second it's like 60 trillion tons or something like that being ripped from the planet each second. The sixth planet is one of the planets that could be habitable. That is Gillespie 581c. He talks about it being extremely hot on one side and extremely cold on the other. If you were to be on the hot side, you would essentially melt instantly, and on the cold side you would freeze instantly, but there is a spot in the middle. There's a thin strip of the land that we could use to live on. That is just perfect. The next one that he talks about is WASP 17b. This is special because it is almost 2 times the size of Jupiter, and it orbits its sun in retrograde, so it orbits the opposite of the way that the star spins. And he said that this is special because theoretically this is not possible due to scientists because of its size. The next planet is HD 188753AB. This planet has 3 stars and has a lot of eclipse due to these suns. He talks about this planet being one of the best sites for a sunset if we would be able to live on that planet. Planet 9 was GJ1214b. This planet is made up of only water with a core of ice due to the compression of the gravitation on this planet. This is another planet where I feel like there may be life because he talks about it earlier in the video. For a planet to withstand life, you pretty much need water. So I guess that there's 3 on this list where that could be habitable by some sort of life. though this planet is only full of water, I feel like there could be um, some sort of life in that water. And then the last one is Kepler 438b. This planet is described as the planet that is closest to Earth-like features, and this is the planet that um, most likely resembles Earth um, in its atmosphere, in its distance from the sun, um, in its geography. It's very rocky like Earth, and yeah. But I do think that there are three planets on this list that could support life. Um, One of those being Gillespie 581c. That's the one with the one hot side and the one cold side. I do feel like we could live there, but not many of us could because there's a small area of land that we could take up on that planet. The second one is GJ1214b. That's the planet of only water. I don't think humans would be able to live on this planet unless we did something like Water World, where we just lived on like boat-like continents and stuff like that. But I don't really think that's possible. The last one is Kepler 438b. This is the one that closely resembles Earth, and I believe that's the best one out of those three, since it's so close to the features we have here on Earth. Thank you.